Beautiful friends, welcome back to the garden. Oh my God, guys, this year those azalea show up, guys. They was full with a lot of flowers, and I found those one guys on trash. Somebody put them on trash, and I picked them up. I think 2 years ago, and then they getting big. They really, really, really big. Look at this. They really big and I really like them. I got two big one. I got plenty. Guys, excuse me for the mess. I am trying to get the garden back again because it's a lot and I have three garden I have taken care of while plus I'm working, guys. It's a lot of work for me, but I enjoy it. This is what I like and I just did it, but it's this is not the way I used to gardening. My garden used to be beautiful if you go back, but now I'm trying to keep them alive everywhere I can have space, and then I can have them. I can keep them alive, and of course, I lost a lot of trees, a lot of everything, but so far I have a little bit left. I'm okay with that. Alright guys, the video not gonna be too long, and also look at what I get, guys. I pick up some leaves down the road, and then I put what I did, guys. I don't really since you guys know I got all my plant on pots. What I did, I pick up leaves, put leaves on the bottom of the pot, and you put dirt on the top of it, because if I was gonna put soil only, that was gonna cost me a lot, but so far that's been working for me good. Yes, guys, I am so happy to see as everything's starting to look. Thank you, friends, again for watching. Have a blessed day. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and like.